Hi guys, today I want to share with you with one of my hobbies. So my hobby is a wall sticker business. I'm doing wall stickers and I sell them on eBay. I like to do wall stickers. Of course, I'm very short of time to do them. I don't have a lot of time for this hobby, but I like it very much because wall stickers, I think they are very cute. So I like how they are cut. I like to read them, and I like to uh, do orders because I like my hobby very much. Also, if you would like to buy one of the wall stickers or a bunch of them, you can buy them on the link below. I will leave it under my video, link to my eBay page where you can buy them. And today I will show you a little bit of what I'm doing with my wall stickers, how do I do them, and how do I send them. I buy vinyl in rolls and big ones, and then I cut a small piece of vinyl if I need a small, or just put whole roll in cutter and cut it out from there. And today we will cut a flower from this one, just a small flower. This is my vinyl cutter. I cut on it my stickers. This is the flower I gonna cut now. Now I'm taking the tape for stickers. I will cut out small piece of it. And I will just attach it to the sticker like this. And then I have my squeezy friend. And just squeeze it all around. Then I will just cut out the unnecessary parts of it. Otherwise it will be sticky all around. So now it's ready to go. Very beautiful. How you think? As you could see, it's not very hard to make a wall sticker and to attach it to any flat surface. And today we will make an order, which I have on my eBay website today, and we will send it out to our customer. So here it is, and now we will send it to our customer. I'm a good seller, so I made my stickers in advance just in case if something will go wrong. And I have the quantity on my website, how much I actually made and I have in my stock. So these ones we will send numbers 1 to 10. So basically I'm sending order every time I get the order, as it's just a hobby for me. I'm not doing it all the time as a full-time job, it's just sometimes in a day. So I'm sending by royal mail, and now I'm going to send this letter as well. That's it, the letter was sent, and now I can go back home and press the dispatch button on my eBay webpage.